Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. MyTelemed, accessible at www.mytelm.com, offers a comprehensive telehealth platform designed to streamline healthcare access for patients and providers alike. This innovative service connects individuals with licensed medical professionals across a wide range of specialties, enabling convenient virtual consultations from the comfort of their homes or wherever they may be. By leveraging technology, MyTelemed breaks down geographical barriers and expands access to quality care, particularly for those in underserved communities or those with mobility challenges. The platform facilitates a seamless experience for scheduling appointments, managing medical records, and communicating with healthcare providers. Users can easily browse available doctors, view their credentials, and choose a provider that best suits their needs. The secure platform ensures HIPAA compliance, protecting patient privacy and confidentiality during every interaction. MyTelemed offers a variety of consultation options, including video conferencing, phone calls, and secure messaging, providing flexibility for different communication preferences. Beyond immediate medical consultations, MyTelemed also supports ongoing care management, allowing patients to maintain consistent communication with their chosen providers. This fosters stronger patient-provider relationships and facilitates proactive health management. The platform's integrated features enable efficient prescription refills, convenient appointment reminders, and easy access to medical history, empowering patients to take control of their healthcare journey. Whether you're seeking a quick diagnosis for a minor ailment, require specialist advice, or need ongoing management for a chronic condition, MyTelemed provides a user-friendly and secure platform for accessing quality healthcare. By embracing technology, MyTelemed strives to improve healthcare accessibility, affordability, and convenience, ultimately contributing to better health outcomes for patients everywhere. Their commitment to connecting patients with qualified medical professionals underscores their dedication to providing accessible, high-quality healthcare in the digital age. With its diverse range of specialties and commitment to patient-centered care, MyTelemed stands as a promising solution for navigating the evolving landscape of modern healthcare.